Today we talk about how can you disable biometrics on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on account down here. When you just click on it, so when you click here on account, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this is it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to biometrics. So then you just click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean biometrics disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.